Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this is a 2-bedroom dedicated refurbished room at Saratoga. I do not need this mask on. This is my parents' room. It's a 2-bedroom dedicated brand new refurbished room at Saratoga Springs. They were randomly upgraded because we were supposed to have rooms near each other, and then they were like, well, all we've got is a 2-bedroom, is that okay? My parents are like, yeah, that's fine. When you first walk in, there's probably some sort of utility closet. It is just like the main entrance. It's just like this little foyer. So over to the right, if you do a 2-bedroom lock-off, this is typically a studio similar to the studio tour that I gave earlier, but this is a 2-bedroom lock-off. So this is just like a big, giant bedroom. So there's 2 queen beds. We're probably gonna drop off Rue here to come and hang out. A huge dresser. Cheez-Its from one of my children, I'm sure. And then just like a little light, there is a giant closet right here. Like, because there's typically a kitchenette, this is just a big old giant closet. And then on this side, a huge double sink. Hello, a double sinked, yeah, thing. I don't know why my camera's doing that. And then here is one of 2 bathrooms, and it looks just like my other bathroom that I gave a tour of the studio, and I'll link that up above if you're interested. And there's just like some hanging space, and then a whole other closet right here. Oops, right there, yeah. And then a great vacuum. So next, what you're gonna see is the 1-bedroom part of it. So if you were to get a 1-bedroom at Saratoga Springs, this is what a 1-bedroom would look like. Obviously, you've seen the second half of what a 2-bedroom would look like, but this is similar to a 1-bedroom. So if you're like, hey, I'm looking for a 1-bedroom, this is what it's gonna look like. You've got a table here, which has things on it, but that's okay. And then you've got this really pretty redone kitchen. It's got all stainless steel appliances, my mom eating cheese. You will not have my mom eating cheese in your kitchen, however. These look like, they look like concrete. I think they might be concrete. And then there's this great little area. Now this is a 5-sleeper, and this is why. It is a pull-out couch. I think it's a full size, so I think just any adult human could sleep on there. Sometimes they're kid sized if you get like a 5th sleeper over at the Caribbean. So there's also some like plugs and whatnot. And here's those enhanced cleaning procedures, which I love. More plugs, obviously. Here is a lovely light. And then also another little, oh, this is a preferred room, so it does have a nice little view of the gardens out here, which you can't see. Then there is this same kind of pull-up. I don't even know what this is. What is this called? It's like a coffee table pull-up something or other. And then this really beautiful couch with the Chase Lounge, which is totally different. Is this a Chase Lounge? It is, right? Yeah, I think, yeah, no, it's not a Chase Lounge. It just looks like one. Yeah, this pulls out, so it's not a Chase Lounge. Okay, so here is the couch, and then these 2 pretty side areas. There's a little phone and a stand and a plate. You will not have the plate, but here is, oh, I'm gonna move back. So here is this pretty Murphy bed with some pretty artwork. It also looks different than our artwork. And then right over there is a light that will turn on and illuminate the top of this bed. Now if you walk in, here, we can push that back up. Whoa. All right, thanks guys. There's a little hidden Mickey right there, right behind you. Here is a washer and dryer. This is the prettiest washer and dryer I have ever seen in a Disney villa. It's brand new, electronic, all that good stuff. It's gorgeous. I'm doing laundry in it right now. And then it's got this fold-up laundry basket. And you can just shut the door. All right, so as you walk into the king bed, there's obviously a king bed with that same kind of under storage underneath. 2 lovely side tables. And these also have the plugs, USB ports, light to turn on. It's me. Here is another, what is that? Oh, that's cool. Okay. Here is a nice little drawer set. Nothing to mention beyond that. Here, this is a pretty tub. I was gonna say jacuzzi tub, it's not. And they blocked off these walls. So these used to be open right here. They are no longer open, which is great. I actually didn't like that. So here is another lovely sink. Another mirror, hello. And then this really large closet, and to be honest, you used to be able to fit a pack and play. I don't know, some of the closets you can fit a pack and play, which is great if you have a baby. We never shut the door, but it was just a nice like dark corner. You could kind of put them back in, so it was kind of quiet and dark, because the bathroom, this bathroom where you like take a shower and whatnot, is separated from, it's separated from this area over there. So there is a big old shower, another sink, another mirror, hello, and then a bathroom. So that is it. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you have any questions for me, please leave them in the comments below. I will try and answer them for you as best as I can and to my ability. And if you're not following me on Instagram, please go follow me over there, Pixie Dust and Parenting. If you're not following me on TikTok, where I do LGBTQ content, follow me over there, Thirstyonmain. This shirt. If you are looking to plan your own Disney vacation, whether it's Walt Disney World, Disney Cruise Line, Disneyland, Aulani, and Adventures by Disney, you can go ahead and fill out my quote form over on my website. And if you are not already following us here, please consider subscribing, because we'd love to see you back here. Hit the notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video, and I will see you guys in the next one.